how I moved to Germany without blocked account by paying €0, and you can do the same. In this video, I will explain everything step by step, no gatekeeping, in just 5 minutes. By the way, I'm Usman. I am in Germany for last 6 to 7 months. I'm working in BMW as an intern.
ये जो मेरे पीछे बिल्डिंग देख रहे हो, it's BMW's headquarters in Munich.
And yeah, that's a short introduction of me. You all know that in Germany, education is free for international students, and anyone from any part of the world can come in Germany and study free of cost. But there is the biggest hurdle for international students, which is blocked account. Blocked account is your money which you have to put in a German bank account, and they will pay you monthly. For example, at today's date, you have to put more than 12,000 euros in your blocked account, and you'll get a specific amount every month. So I don't consider blocked account as a cost, but for so many students, it's very difficult to arrange this much amount, especially from Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh, Nepal. It's hard for students. But I came to Germany without paying anything. Literally, I paid nothing and I have no blocked account. There are three main ways that you can come in Germany without blocked account, and the third one is the most important one which I followed. The first is someone can sponsor you, and the sponsor should be in Germany. He or she can be a permanent resident, he or she can be on blue card, or anyone who is working in Germany. The sponsor should have a permanent job in Germany and should be earning enough to sponsor a student. The sponsorship process is very simple. The sponsor who is living in Germany has to go to the city hall and they have to explain them that they want to sponsor a student. Then they'll have to give a written statement by signing it, and then that statement will go through an administrative process, and you will show that letter from your sponsor that he or she is sponsoring you for your stay in Germany. This can be done for student visa or opportunity card or any visa that requires a blocked account. So this is one thing. The second way to come in Germany without blocked account as a student is to get a fully funded scholarship. And there is only one fully funded mainly scholarship in Germany, which is DART. And I have explained the complete procedure of DART scholarship in my this video. You can watch this video after watching this video, by the way. In this video, I have explained the eligibility criteria, who can apply, when to apply, and the most important part, how you can win DART scholarship. I have shared my experiences because I am an Erasmus Mundus scholar. I have won multiple scholarships in Europe, in USA, in Australia. In this video, I have shared my experiences. So I think watching this video is worth it. So if you get a fully funded DART scholarship, then there is no need of blocked account. That's the second way of coming to Germany without blocked account. And now coming to the third way, which I followed, is very simple also. You need to go to any other European country and then come to Germany in your internship, in your master's thesis, or any research project. That's the simplest way to come to Germany without blocked account. Yeah, for example, you opt for a master's in Italy, you opt for a master's in Portugal, France, Spain, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, or anywhere in Europe, and then you come to Germany for your master's project. One of my colleagues who was studying in France, he studied one semester in France, and then he applied for an Erasmus exchange program, and he's also getting an Erasmus exchange program's scholarship, which is around 600 euros, and he's also doing an internship in a German company, and he didn't show any blocked account amount, and he got the German visa from France without blocked account. I also did exactly same. So this is the easiest way. If you can't afford blocked account, go to France. There is just the need of showing your bank statement when you are applying for visa. There is no need of blocked account in France, in Portugal, in Spain, in Italy. You can opt for those countries just showing your bank statement. You can show bank statement of your relatives. You can show the bank statement of your far off family members or anyone you have to develop a relationship with them. That's all. But you just need to show bank statement, and you don't need to deposit any money like we do in blocked account. So this is how you can easily move to Germany without blocked account. By the way, we are also processing admissions in France, in Portugal, Spain, anywhere in Europe, in Germany. If you are looking for professional assistance or consultancy, you can always reach us on scholarsavenue.com or scholarsavenue/services. You can find the link in our description, and we can handle your complete case step by step, and we will help you get admission, acceptance letter, and then your visa, and then to help you land in Europe and then ultimately in Germany if you want. And now we are working on a Germany and France series. If you have any question about Germany or France, just ask me in the comment and I will try to make a video on that topic. So I hope your queries are clear now. and you have a better image of how you can come to Germany without blocked account. So that's all. If you're still watching this video, just comment below scholarships with Usman Bhai so that I know how many people are sincere with themselves, because that's the most important thing.